This training unit looks at the AQT 3311 high-pressure washer from Bosch. The compact AQT 3311 high-pressure washer enables faster and more flexible cleaning, with a water flow rate of 330 liters per hour at a maximum pressure of 110 bar. Bosch high-pressure washers are supplied fully assembled, so they're ready to use straight out of the box. The AQT 3311 high-pressure washer has a click-fit system, making it effortless to connect the high-pressure hose to the tool and the lance. An extensive range of accessories enables many different cleaning tasks to be mastered with ease. The lance and the attachments are plugged together quickly and easily. To use the tool, you need to connect it to a tap. To increase the life of the high-pressure washer, it is recommended that you remove the air from the system before each use by squeezing the trigger on the lance and holding it down until water flows out of the lance uninterrupted. Now the high-pressure washer can be switched on and used to clean. The high-pressure detergent nozzle supplied with the tool enables detergents to be added, for example when cleaning garden furniture. The tool has a practical holder for in-use storage of the gun and lance. In addition to running on a standard water mains, the high-pressure washer can also run on rainwater from a water butt thanks to its self-priming function. There's also a self-priming accessory, which allows water to be drawn from lower sources like ponds. The hose and the accessories can be stored on the high-pressure washer in a practical way. This makes the tool easy to transport and allows for space-saving storage. Now have fun with the AQT 3311 high-pressure washer from Bosch.